Bosh, welcome back to another YouTube Shorts. Today we're eating these.
Just
sick.
That's better, is it? I don't know. Guess how much protein? 50 G's in a packet. Why am I shaking so much? Of course it comes with a bunch of sugar and shit, huh?
Right, I've had these before. 50 G's of protein. These are quite spicy. Really tasty. They're just quite expensive though. They're like £3.25 or something. They come with these geysers, which are alright, but you know, I'm still gonna eat them. All that chicken. Korean fried chicken, man. Very nice. A lot of their range is really nice. I just wish it was a bit cheaper. Also high protein. I'm sweating a bit though. Fucking hell.